In vocabulary today, we're going to work on defining words by category. Now, a category is a group of like objects or things. Like the words duck, cow, and sheep could all be in the same category because they're all farm animals. Remember, a characteristic is an important quality or trait or something that makes us think of a word or object. A definition is the meaning of a word. And a good way to define something is to describe its characteristics. So ask yourself, when you're defining something, what is the object like? Or what are its characteristics? What's a distinguishing thing about it? Something that makes us think of it. Now remember, you can also look up definitions of words in a dictionary to be sure that you understand a word. Let's look at this sentence on the screen. The squirrel ran up a tree. It sat on a branch and chattered at me. We're going to look at the word squirrel. I know what a squirrel looks like. It can be gray or brown with its fur, and so I know it's in the category of a mammal. Now, I can describe some of its characteristics, like it's small, it lives in a tree, it has that long bushy tail. So I can define a squirrel as a small mammal with a bushy tail that lives in a tree. Let's look at the words in the word bank here. Let's read them. Canary, pig, hamster, elephant, goldfish, bear, goose, cow, monkey. Now here we have 3 headings. If you could make a chart on a piece of paper, you can make the categories vertical, or you can do them horizontal like they are on this page. But if you could do this on a separate piece of paper, I think that would be very beneficial. There is no Reader's Notebook pages, just this projectable that we're going to work through when we talk about defining words. All right? So here we have the category farm animals, category wild animals, and the category pets. All right? Let's start with canary. Now, what is a canary like? Discuss with your learning adult. What is it like? Describe the characteristics of a canary. But let's first decide where it should go. Is a canary a farm animal, a wild animal, or a pet? Right, a canary is a pet. So you would write the word canary in the first part of the pets column. And then in the space over here, you're going to write some characteristics of a canary. Now a canary is a small yellow bird, and mostly it's known for its singing. So that would be something that I would write. So here is just a quick look, I'm not going to keep it up long, of a completed chart, but you are going to use all of these animals and you're going to fit them into either one of these 3 categories, and then you're going to write a short definition, characteristic, something that describes the animal. So here's what a finished one looks like. Here's the canary. It's a small bird, it's yellow, and it's a good singer. I could also look up the word in the dictionary to make sure that I understand the word.